Again, I'm Teresa Cruz Torreja, Center Head Diamond Master from Kapitbahayan of Botas Essential Center. Are you ready to learn? Good. Di ko na ulitin yan. Malakas na yun. Okay. Our topic for today, or the flow of our discussion, depends upon our newcomers or new visitors who are the first timer in here at ODS. Okay? Thank you for that and welcome. I hope you will learn more. I hope you will understand. And by the time that you will come out from this door, you will share it to others. Marami kayong masasabi sa iba. Natutunan ko to sa one-day seminar ng Atomy. Right? Okay, let's begin. I was tasked to discuss two main products, Hemohim and Wholesome Dan. I love this product. And the more I learn, the more I study in this product, the more I discuss it to others and share it to others and prescribe it in my clinic, the more I give my confidence of prescribing these products. And these products are supplement. I have to tell you, these are not medicine. Disclaimer, these are not medicine. These are supplements. These are complementary supplements from my friend, Doc Art from the OH. And these products are very good. And that's why I would like it to share with you the more interesting things about these products. Let's begin. Our products in Atomy are really good, and the Atomy company gives everything to us. We don't have to think of any others, but to go to your back office, we have our own platform and our shopping mall. And these products are really absolute quality, and of course, absolute price. What does it mean? Our chairman said a while ago that there is no other products that will compete our products at its quality. So, mataas na yon, maganda na yon. There is no other products that will compare doon sa quality ng mga products that we have. Isn't it very good? So it deserves an applause for this. So me as a doctor for several years, I have all the confidence of using all the products of Atomy because I tried it and experienced it, shared it, and prescribed it to my patients. Those products really help me, my family, my friends, and all the patients that I have in my clinic. The concept behind Atomy products is really very good. It is what we call mastige. We have to bring this to the mass, all the people that we could reach in order for them to experience the beauty, the quality, the good quality at its absolute price, meaning low price, if you will compare the quality of the other products from different markets at its absolute price and absolute quality. And also, this will benefit many. That's why we have to share it to others. Mastige, that is the concept of Atomy. And the good thing with this, we can reach it from the tip of our fingers. We are already in the age of computers where we can reach all the products from our platform in the shopping mall. All we have are the health, beauty, personal care, home food, and home other products. These are the products that we could enjoy in every product. Do you know that one click, all the details and all the information that you would like to get from this product are being given to us in order for us that we could easily understand and share it to others. We will have our confidence to use the product, to share the product, and give it to to others. And now, let's begin with the products that I would like to discuss with you then. Himuhim, we do all know, ang Himuhim po ay ang pinakamagandang produkto ng Atomy Company. Why? I'm using the product for almost 8 years now. I am taking the products before I go to my clinic, 2 sachets every day before I start my work because it fueled my body, fueled my mind, fueled my emotion and everything. That's why I can easily cover all my patients up to 10 o'clock in the evening. You could imagine that up to 10 o'clock in the evening. So, yes, wow. Himuhim, what's Himuhim? Do you know that Himuhim is a very good product that is very associated with our immunity? Immunity meaning, ito po yung depensa. Ito po yung panlaban natin sa iba't ibang karamdaman. Kapag meron po tayong immunity na malakas, yun po ay God-given. Yun po yung binigay sa atin ng Diyos, sa ating katawan, na kung saan tayo po ay makalalaban sa anumang karamdaman. Kung may ma-inhale tayo dyan na bacteria, viruses, and even other pathogens na papasok sa ating sistema, madali niya itong malalabanan. As you could see in the caricature, madali po itong malalabanan. Ito ay nagpapalakas ng ating buong sistema ng kalusugan. We do all know health is wealth, so we have to protect our health. We have to take care of ourselves, and Himuhim is number 1 in order to prevent any diseases. That's why I am discussing this to you with all the confidence. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, maganda po ang Himuhim na prevention sa ating kalusugan. So in other words, get enhanced immunity for a stronger and healthier life with Himuhim. Thank you for that. So why take Himuhim? I have said already, it will awaken your immunocytes. Itong immunocytes, sa dugo na po natin ito. Ito po yung mga killer cells natin. Ito po yung natawag nga siyang natural killer cells. When you say natural, nandun na po yung sa ating katawan. So it will enhance. Yung natutulog, gigisingin. May natutulog ba ngayon? Wala, gising lahat dahil gusto nating matuto. Walang natutulog. Tatawagin ko po ang natutulog. Gising lahat. Bibigyan ng Himuhim. So napakaganda po na istorya ng Himuhim. Short lang po ito dahil alam na naman ng lahat. Alam niyo po ba na ang Himuhim ay ang government subsidized na pinagawa po ito sa pag-research. Nag-research muna sila paano nagawa yung Himuhim muna. Kasi po maraming nagkaka-cancer sa South Korea. Alam po natin na nuclear plant po ang source ng energy sa kanila. So, anong nangyari po, nagpa-research sila, yung government, and then they come up with the Himuhim. Pero yung researching body po ay yung tinatawag na KERI, the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. Imagine, yung produkto natin mula sa gobyerno na ni-research pa po. So, nandun ang ating confidensya na mapagkakatiwalaan nating safe po ito. Na makagibang kabubuti po ito sa ating katawan. Why? And it was subject sa development of functional biodefense food, and then pinagawa sa Colmar na century na po ang taon nito, itong paggawa na to ng all organic products. And even other countries na kilalang kilala pagdating sa paggawaan ng mga organic and high quality products sa Colmar po nagpapagawa. And then it was passed in the evaluation of MFDS, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety sa Korea. At ngayon, binigay na sa Atomy and we are enjoying all the benefits from Himuhim. Palakpakan po natin yon. Ang Himuhim ay mayroong 3 mapakalagang mga herbal products or molecules. Angelica gaigas, Linguisticum sinense, and Peonia lactiflora. Ito po ay napakagagaling na mga halaman. I did the research on every plant and I discovered that it compacted or constituted in the heme to bring its substance. Sorry for that. Substance with special immune function has been developed through biological engineering and radiation therapy. Do you know that these plants brings the production of my favorite molecule, the nitric oxide, inside our endothelial linings because it enhances the production of arginine, which is responsible for the production of nitric oxide, which is responsible for the dilatation of the blood vessels. Ang dilatation meaning pagpabuka ng mga ugat. Ang mga ugat natin at the age of 30, pataas, sumasara na po. When you say sumasara, kumikipot na. Pag kumikipot, hindi maganda ang daloy, ang circulation. Kapag traffic, congested ang traffic, hindi ka makakarating sa iyong paroroonan on time. Kaya kailangan bubuka ang daan upang makarating sa paroroonan. Kindly imagine, kapag ang ugat natin sa brain, sa puso, sa kidney, and all the other vital organs of the body, nagsasara o kumikipot. Babata, tatanda. Tatanda. Kaya nga mayroong mga pasyente, o may mga tao rather, edad 40, mukha ng 70. Edad 70, mukhang 50. Di po ba? And it is because of the pathway or it is because of the circulation that they have in their system. So kapag po ang ating mga ugat nagkikiputan na, anong gagawin natin? We have to be aware. Kailangan kong kumilos para mapabuka ang aking mga ugat. And one of these products na naroon sa Heme de Peonia lactiflora ay nakapagpapa-encourage ng pagpapabuka ng ugat. Ang Heme ay kailangan i-take ng lahat ng tao. As early in the age of 3-year-old and above, nagbibigay po ako. But mind you again, please consult your doctors. Huwag kayong magmarunong sa sarili. Disclaimer, hindi po ito gamot. All the maintenance medicine that you are taking that the doctors were given to you, huwag niyo pong ihihinto. Please lang. Huwag niyo pong ihihinto. Recently, I did discover that there is a life-threatening situation. Inihinto niya po yung kanyang mga maintenance and then nagtiwala doon sa mga supplements. Please po, ito po ay supplements, ibig sabihin nakakatulong, hindi po ito gamot. But later in life, if your body really adapt to its normal function, that will be the time your doctor will say, itigil na po natin. Kasi pababa ang iyong blood pressure, pababa ang iyong sugar level. Itutuloy mo pa ba yung maintenance na tinatawag? Hindi na. But the doctor will tell you. But in taking these products, please don't tell your doctors, I am taking Heme. Please don't tell your doctors, I'm taking Heme. Why? Stop. Ipapa-stop sa inyo to. Bakit papa-stop? Hindi po nila pinag-aralan. Hindi po nila ito alam. That is why, kauna-unawa naman po sila. Kaya huwag po nating sabihin sa kanila, these are the food of our body that was given ayon sa ating mga pag-aaral and seminars. So you have to attend your seminars in order to learn more. So sino yung mga nangangailangan nito? The athletes. Why athletes? Dahil kapag tumatakbo sila, the muscles needs circulation, the muscle needs energy, the muscle needs stability doon sa kanyang function. And yung circulation, kailangan magpabakwa ng ugat. Ang Heme helps a lot. Sa homemakers, kapag ang ina hindi malakas at hindi siya masigla, hindi siya energetic sa kanyang pagtatrabaho, ano mangyayari sa pamilya? And also, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga ina kong pasyente, bawal sa iyo magkasakit. Dahil siya tagadala ng kanyang mga may sakit na miyembro ng pamilya. So, mga homemakers natin kailangan ng Heme. The employees, Kapag ka burnout na sa iyong trabaho sa offices, wala kang hemohim, pagod ka agad pagdating sa bahay. Hindi ka na mapapakinabangan. Mami, mama, kailangan ko ganito. Te, pagod ako. Tulog ka agad. It is because you are lacking energy. Hemohim will be the one who will answer all the needed energy by the employees pagdating sa bahay. And even so, you will become more efficient sa pagtatrabaho. Students, ang students kailangan ng hemohim every day dahil to increase the memory function of each student and also to increase the immune defense. Lahat ngayon ng mga pasyente ko, puro estudyante, dahil sa maraming mga viruses na nagkakalat at sila po ay nagkakasakit. And of course, our senior citizen. Ako po, 64-year-old na po ako. Senior citizen po ako. Kailangan ko po to. That's why I'm taking 2 in the morning and then half, 2 again in the afternoon, and then bago ako matulog, isa uli. I have to fuel myself. I don't want to be sick. I don't want to be debilitated. I don't want to have chronic illnesses. That's why I have to protect myself. Hemohim is the answer of everything. So ito na po ang susunod. Ito na po yung gusto kong ibigay sa inyo na produkto. Kilala niyo po ba to? Ano ito? Hong Samdan. Ang Hong Samdan po ay si Korean red ginseng. Bakit red? Ang Korean red ginseng po ay mula sa Asian. Mostly po sa Korea, sa Japan, and other part of Asia, which is considered the more effective and the more beneficial to everybody. Mayroon pong tinatawag din na white ginseng. Ang white ginseng po mostly yung American type, yung American Siberian ginseng. They differ each other from the effect in the body. For mostly yung red ginseng po is for stimulation, for energy, cognitive function, and has been said in many research, it's very good to fight or helps to reduce the production of cancer cells in our body. It also helps in the major effect po nito ang pagpapabuka rin ng ugat. So it coincides each other kapag ginamit natin ang hemohim together with Hong Samdan because they synergize the effect of dilatation of our blood vessel to have good circulation. So what are these RG1, RB1, and RG3? These are the main component of the Korean red ginseng. These are the ginsenosides. The ginsenosides is but a adaptogens. And this is a miracle molecules in red ginseng in order for us to have more benefits from taking red ginseng. And do you know that red ginseng is very beneficial in the cognitive function, in the brain function, in the heart function, in the kidney function, and to name it all the functions of our vital organs because it really contributes a lot in the production of nitric oxide again. Compared with the hemohim, Hong Samdan produce more and more nitric oxide with the help of the endothelial nitric oxide synthase, the enzyme, helps in the production of arginine together with it in such pathway that will produce more and more millions of nitric oxide in our blood vessels. Kapag marami po tayo ng mga bagay na ito, bubuka ang ating mga ugat. It contains 20 milligram of ginsenosides of ginseng substances. I already mentioned this, and are health functional substances that may enhance immunity again, support fatigue, resistance, promote blood circulation, improve memory function, and be effective as antioxidant. It is very good in the circulation in order for us to attain these benefits. It is because it will dilate our blood vessels. Another important thing in here is the neurotransmitter substance. Ibig sabihin, nagiging signaling molecule siya. In order na mapabilis ang transfer of one message to the others ng ating pathway papunta sa brain, ang nitric oxide is the main component na itinutulak o from the function of our ginsenosides in red ginseng. So kung gusto nating magkaroon ng mabuting pag-iisip, magkaroon ng energized body, na tayo ay mabilis na makapagdesisyon ng tama, na ang mga estudyante natin ay gumaling sa pag-exam nila, yung mga bata ay makasagot agad sa kanilang mga examinations in school in order to absorb faster doon sa may studies nila, give them Hong Samdan. It has been studied by research na kung saan ang Hong Samdan was given to the students na kung saan mag-e-exam. And then mayroong placebo na binigay sa isang grupo din. And they found out those group na binigyan ng Hong Samdan, or rather the ginseng, the red ginseng, they improves a lot with their results than that of the one who did not receive the red ginseng. So they concluded that red ginseng contributes a lot in cognitive function, in memory function of the brain. So it is patented. If you will notice, our Hong Samdan is granulated, para spherical granules. And then pag binabad niyo po sa inyong dila, ay pumuputok siya unti-unti. Nakita niyo? Ang lasa po nito ay para siyang coffee granules na medyo mapait. Pagka nilagay niyo po sa inyong dila, little water, and then it serves the purpose. Ito po ay patented sa ating company, 100% red ginseng, and 97 powder. Doon po sa loob ng mga spherical granules, nandun po yung powder ng ginsenosides. 100% Korean red ginseng, it's legit and original, and it is genuine. 20 milligram per gram of ginsenosides. Ginsenosides is the main component of our Panax red ginseng, Korean red ginseng. So that's what I have told you. Look at the technology that has been done with our Hong Samdan. It's very, very sophisticated. Recommended for the following people who get easily tired and needs recovery from fatigue, wants to enhance immunity, and so on and so forth. Who worries about memory loss, who wants to improve blood circulation, wants to experience a rich taste of ginseng. It is better taste than that of the original root of red ginseng. Because if you will taste the red ginseng yung from the root itself, it's really bitter. But here, it's not. All family members can take this product for better health. So patented technology, we have that. What's the dose? Adult 1 packet or 1 sachet per day. It is best to take in the morning and then in the mid-afternoon because it will energize you. It will open the gates of absorbing all the memories, absorbing all the events of your life in order for you to become more effective individual, in order for us to function well in our daily chores. So again, consult your physician if you are taking warfarin, aspirin, because it has a contributory factor in blood thinners. But as my disclaimer again, I am a doctor. I know what I'm doing. I can choose to give this to patient also combination, but not at the same time of the day to take these products. Or store in cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. So since it can easily dissolve, try to place this in a cool, dry place. Not doon sa mga basa dahil maaari siyang matunaw. So we have to preserve the quality of each product. We have to store this in a proper place. So that's all for the products. And I would like to present to you, as much as possible, I would like to present to you all my cases from the clinic that I've shown in the past 7 years. that increase my confidence. These are only few. But disclaimer, these are not medicine. These are supplements that helps the body to fight against any diseases, and also since it has good bacterial activity, our products very good in wound healing. Okay? It has been lighter for the purpose not to copy by any distributors. Don't copy it from the any page or any social medias. I have the 25-year-old female who has been, sorry for this mga kapatid, baka naman na ayaw ninyo na ganito. Gangrene was improved with Hemo-Hem added in the management by application directly to the wound after debridement and giving the patient intake 2 sachets 4 times a day. I love to debride the wound of every patient coming to my clinic. In order not to be amputated, sinasagip ko po bago sila maputulan ng paa, maputulan ng kamay, maputulan ng daliri. Aalagaan ko po yun to the best that I can sa awa at tulong ng Diyos. So makita po natin dito na nag-i-improve po siya. Imagine yung dramatic improvement. Hemo-Hem lang po ang nilalagay ko dyan until na ma-reach niya yung stage na to. Ngayon po, sarado na yan. So marami nakakunot ang noo, tanggalin na natin. So yun po, marami po sa mga pasyenteng puputulan sana nila sa iba't ibang hospitals, puputulan ng paa, kamay, pero hindi po sila napuputulan. Hindi po ako gumagamit ng kahit na anong mga topicals, only Hemo-Hem. And then take it orally and directly put or place in the wound. But you have to clean this first before you give or apply the Hemo-Hem. And with all these things, let's have to give thanks to Atomic Company for giving us these products, and also praise to God for having us these things. Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Teresa Torreja from Kapitbahayan Abotas Essential Center. Thank you.